Hello, my phonics friends, and welcome to day 9 of my Phonics Boost. Let's get ready to practice our sounds and become an even better reader. So let's get our phonics brain switched on, our superhero listening ears turned on, and let's get started. Let's remind ourselves of our 5 focus sounds. We've got p, g, I, O. Now, I don't think I need to sound these ones out today. I think it can be your turn straight away. Are we ready? Excellent. Do you think you can do it a bit faster? I think you can. Excellent. Do you think you can do it even quicker? Let's see. Whew, that was very quick. Of course, we're not going to forget our old sounds. Are we ready? Now, I know you can do these ones quicker. Off we go. Do you think we can do them all together? I think you can. Let's get our phonics brains working. Come on, phonics superheroes, let's go. Excellent, amazing. Right, the sound that we're going to be focusing on today is the I sound. Now, the I sound is a short sound. I, I, I. My turn first. I, I, I. Excellent. Now we've practiced saying the I sound. Let's find some objects that start with the I sound. Right, phonics superheroes, in my magic box, I've got some objects that start with the I sound and some that don't. And I need you to help me sort it out. Are you ready? Oh, not again. I think we need our phonics magic. Can you remember our magic spell? That's right, it's hocus pocus phonics focus. Let's say it together. Are we ready? Hocus pocus phonics focus. Let's see if it's worked. Yes, it has. Oh, we've got some quite tricky objects in here today, so I might help you out. Are we ready? I've got an invitation. Does invitation start with the I sound? Yes, excellent. What about star? Oh, I've got a little iguana. Can you see the iguana? Yes, iguana starts with the I sound. Grapes. Nope. Oh, and now I've got an instrument. Yes, instrument starts with the I sound. Now I'm going to put them back in and I'm going to pull them out much quicker. And I want you to tell me if it starts with the I sound or if it doesn't. Are you ready? Oh, well done. Excellent. Right, now we're going to turn on those listening ears and practice our oral blending. Right, let's test our superhero listening ears. I'm going to sound out the word and I want to hear you say it. Are we ready? I, n. In. P, I, t. Pit. S, I, p. Sip. Excellent. Now we've practiced our listening skills. Let's practice our reading skills. Right, my reading superstars, time to work on our reading. Now with our new I words, I'm going to sound them out first and then it's going to be your turn. Are we ready? In. Your turn. In. My turn. Pit. Your turn. Pit. My turn. Sip. Your turn. Sip. Right, now we've done them once. Just you this time. In. Pit. Sip. Excellent. Right, are you up for a challenge? Our challenge word today is insect. Oh, look how long that one is. Right, my turn first. Insect. Your turn. Insect. Well done. Your turn again. Insect. Excellent. Right, time for a rewind to look at some of the words that we've already been doing this week. Right, just you sounding out these ones. Are we ready? Gap. Well done. Got. Excellent. Now with this word, I'm going to see if you can just say it. See if you can remember it. Are you ready? Pen. Well done. Want to hear you sound it out? Pen. Excellent. Time to move on to our tricky words. And our new tricky word today is you. 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 Excellent. Let's look at some of the tricky words we were looking at. Can we remember this one? Go. Into. So we've got go. Into. Excellent. Let's put our new one in there. You. Go. Into. Right, just you this time. Are we ready? You. Go. Into. Excellent. There are a lot of words there. Well done. We are nearly done with day 9. Well done for sticking all the way through. We're going to go over our sounds one more time and then we're going to play our little game. Now we've been doing these sounds for a few days, so I'm not going to have a turn, just you. Excellent. Do you think you can do it quicker? Excellent. Now I'm going to start taking some away. Let's see. We ready? Which one was missing? It's P. Excellent. Let me take another one away. What am I going to take this time? Are we ready? Which one's missing? Good. Well done. Right, I'm going to take one more away. Let's have a look. You ready? Which one was missing? Excellent. And that's it. You've finished day 9. Well done, you. You should be feeling so proud of yourself. I am feeling very proud of you. So well done. Give yourselves a great big pat on the back. 1, 2, 3. Well done, me. And I can't wait to see you tomorrow for day 10. Bye.